Hello students, we look at the first numerical. The length of a mercury column in a certain mercury in glass thermometer is 5 centimeter when the thermometer is at the ice point and is 25 centimeter when the thermometer is at steam point. Consider the length as the thermometric property x and let T dash be the temperature on the linear Celsius scale as determined by the thermometer. Suppose we were to define a Celsius temperature T dash by the quadratic equation T dash is equal to ax square plus b, where T dash is equal to 0 at the ice point and T dash is equal to 100 at the steam point. Find the temperature T dash when T is equal to 50 degrees centigrade. I think in my previous video I had come out with a derivation which we will be using in this particular numerical, because we will straight away use the formula. So I just wanted you to understand from where we derived that formula. The problem here is there is thermometer, mercury in glass thermometer. Okay, when it is dipped in at ice point, it shows 5 centimeter reading. When it dipped in steam point, it shows 25 degrees centigrade. 25 centimeters, sorry. So the length is a thermometric property, and the equation is given by T dash is equal to ax square plus b, and this T dash is equal to 0 at ice point and T dash is equal to 100 at steam point. So we have to find the temperature T dash at 50 degrees centigrade. Now xi, the thermometric property length, is equal to 5 centimeter. The ice point it is 5 centimeter. Xs is steam point, that is 25 centimeter given in the problem. And for the linear Celsius scale, we use T is equal to 100 in bracket x minus xi divided by xs minus xi. So this xi and xs are the thermometric property at ice point and steam point respectively. Here the thermometric property is length. Substituting, now he has asked us to find out the value for 50 degrees centigrade. Okay, so for 50 degrees what I will do, we will substitute the values. T is equal to 50 is equal to 100 in bracket x, the unknown quantity what we are going to find out, minus xi, at ice point it is 5 centimeter, and divided by 25 minus 5. 25 is the thermometric property at steam point, xs, and 5 is the xi, thermometric property at ice point. So this is a standard relation which we are going to use, and hence by solving this, 50 is equal to 100x minus 500 divided by 20. Solving, it becomes 1000 is equal to 100x minus 500. So 100x is equal to 1500, or x is 15. So this is the thermometric property what we have found out for the temperature at 50 degrees centigrade. Okay. Now we will come to the ice point and steam point equation. The given equation is T is equal to ax square plus b. Okay. At ice point, here they are given ice point T is 0 degrees centigrade. is equal to ax square plus b, and at steam point 100 is equal to axs square plus b. So you have got two relationship, one is for ice point and steam point. Now subtracting the equation for ice point from the steam point. 100 is equal to ax s square plus b minus 0 is equal to axi square plus b. Okay, so 100 minus the second equation, we will make it all minus. 0 is minus, axi square is minus, and b also is minus. So what happens? 100 minus 0 is 100, left hand side. Axs square minus axi square. So a is common, so I take a outside. In bracket I will put axs square minus xi square. This p gets cancelled. Plus 1 minus b, that get cancelled. Then you get a is equal to, solving we will have to find a and b. So a is equal to 100 divided by xs square minus xi square. Okay. So having found a, we will try to find out now b, constant b. In the ice point equation, 0 is equal to axi square plus b. Therefore, b is equal to minus axi square is equal to minus 100 divided by xs square minus xi square into xi square. Okay. So we are trying to find out value of a, we have found out, we are finding out value of b. So b, you get it as minus 100 xi square divided by xs square minus xi square. So substituting this value in the relationship t dash is equal to ax square plus b. So a value is 100 x square, 100, this a x square. So I am multiplying 100 divided by xs square minus xi square into xi square, x square. Okay. Plus b, b is here minus 100 xi square divided by xs square minus xi square. So simplifying, you see numerator 100 is common and denominator x square minus xi square is common. So it becomes 100 x square minus xi square divided by x square minus xi square. Now here we are going to find out the t dash for 50 degrees centigrade. So that values of xi, xs and x we will substitute here. So the relationship is 100. So x at 50 is 15 centimeter, we have found out. So 15 square minus xi is 5 square divided by xs is 25 square minus 5 square. So 100 into 220 in bracket 225 minus 25 divided by 625 minus 25. 100 in bracket 200 divided by 600. So the t dash value at 50 degrees centigrade is 33.3 degrees centigrade. This is how you use the relationship and solve the problem. Okay, thank you.